Hello Year 2C. So today in English we're actually doing something similar to what we've just done in maths, and that's using words to compare. Now you used words such as heavier and heaviest. Now these are called a suffix, est and and a suffix is just something that goes on the end of a word that we add on so that we can change its meaning. So short and tall, these are called your root words, the original word, and the suffix is what we add on to the end. Now I've got three people here and they go up in order of height. So A is going to be the shortest, aren't they? And C will be the tallest. So I'm just going to write a few sentences for you to see how we can use these words in a sentence and how these suffixes work. So, first one for you is okay, can we see it there? Yep. Okay, so A is the shortest. This suffix est means that it's the most or the least. Okay, so there's no one shorter than person A, is there? And we could also use it for being tall. So, who's the tallest? C is the tallest. There is no one taller than them. So it just means the most of something. Yep. So these two are really nice. Now, to compare, another way is to use the suffix on the end. So let's see. If I write this sentence for you, there we go. If we can see it. So B is shorter than C. Now they're not the shortest, that's A, isn't it? But they are definitely shorter than C. Okay? And we could also say that A is shorter than B, aren't they? And they are the shortest as well. And it's the same for using the word tall, that root word. What about taller? Now my sentence is definitely wrong there. A is not taller than B. So what could we do? C is taller than B, aren't they? They're also the tallest, but they are also taller than B. And another one we could have is B is taller than A, aren't they? Okay? So this is just a really nice way to see how we use these two suffixes on the end of a word. And we do that just to compare. Now there is one thing I do need to mention is any word that ends in a Y, we do need to change it, okay? We can't just add on this suffix. For example, if I gave you the word happy. So these are going to all be adjectives. Yep. Sometimes you get an adjective that has a Y on the end. So if I said I was the happiest girl in town and I wanted to add EST. Now, I've never seen a word like that and I hope you've not either. What we do is we take out that Y and we change it into an I. That rhymes, doesn't it? Happiest. And another word that we have used last lesson is heavy, with a Y on the end. Okay, so EST, the heaviest was my flower, remember? And it just doesn't look right with that Y. So take out the Y, add in an I.